Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. I am really excited today because finally they've let me out of Australia. And the first trip I had to make was all the way to England, but not just England, to a place called the Isle of Wight, which is right down the bottom, to see these guys. This is Charnwood. And today I'm going to show you some really cool secret stuff this company does to make the heaters awesome. And you're going to absolutely find this video amazing. Let me show you why Charnwood is now one of Australia's biggest selling wood heaters. So where I am right now, this is the final assembly line where all the heaters get put together, they get boxed up, they get sent out. And what I want to show you right now is something you have never seen in Australia. Well, not yet. This is the Charnwood 7, a brand new wood heater we're going to release later on this year in Australia. And I'm going to give you a bit of a sneak peek. So I've stolen this one off the assembly line. And this is it. What I love about the Charnwood unit, it's now got the square glass look to it, very retro, very European. I think for an Australian market, this is going to be brilliant. Why these heaters work though, it's not just the style of the heater, it's the flame. And what I love about Charnwood wood heaters is they've got so much technology in the heaters to get the flames looking the way they do. And this is how they do it. The Charnwood's reputation is all about flame. Now these holes in the back of the wood heater is actually what makes the flame work. It brings hot air back into the smoke, reignites the smoke, and it gives you that magnificent afterburn you get. Now that sounds impressive, but it's how they do it which is really impressive. This is the Firebricks, and on the back of it, they've actually got a patented design that brings the air into the heater. Through these little circles, it creates a turbulence, when entered into the firebox, that's what gives you the amazing flames. They just haven't drilled some holes in the tube to make the heater work. They put some great ideas and technology to make the airflow work for you. So all that air, what comes in through those air holes in the back, all starts here. This is the air control on a Charnwood wood heater. It's like nothing you've seen before. The technology they put in the base of these heaters to ensure the air's coming through to give you the right temperature, the right airflow, the right velocity is all what makes this heater work. So before you rush out and buy a wood heater this year, check out some of the coolest technology in all the Charnwood range of wood heaters. This technology is shared through all the different models and I absolutely love what it's going to bring to your home. So guys, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, pivotstove.com.au for more information and more importantly, where to buy. Actually, more importantly, don't ever come to England in February, it's still cold.